Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can save or download one tab or sheet of your spreadsheet only on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document and here in the bottom left you will see the number of tabs featured in your spreadsheet. So as you can see, there are two of them, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So let me, for example, download only sheet number 1. As you can see, sheet number 2 is empty. Now, if you, for example, navigate to File in the top left, select Download and decide to download your sheet as a Microsoft Excel document, it will automatically, as you can see, download the entire document with all sheets. So we don't want to do this. So there's a fix for that, guys. What you want to do is make sure that you select the tab you would like to download, the only one specifically, which is sheet 1 in this case here. Again, click into File. But what you want to do after that, guys, is simply right click into your sheet in the bottom left and select copy to. And in this case here, select new spreadsheet. And that is going to, as you can see, copy your tab and open it by clicking to open here into a completely new document with the only sheet available here. So there are no other tabs. And now you can simply repeat the same process, click into File, Download, and select your download format, like Excel, for example. Now it is going to download your entire document, which in this case here consists only of your one selected tab. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.